Introducing the new Haas UMC-500, featuring 5-axis capability in a compact footprint. Designed specifically for smaller parts and shops that don't have a lot of extra floor space. The UMC-500 has all the capabilities of our UMC-750, but with a footprint similar to a VF2. We didn't just shrink our existing machine, we developed all new castings optimized around a new work envelope. At the same time, we added a lightweight operator door. All the great convenience features you've come to expect. And we've repositioned the pendant to make it easier to get to. At the side of the machine, we've added a larger side window, giving you another access point to the work area. The UMC-500 has a rollaway coolant tank, making it easier to clean and maintain your coolant. And the compact footprint gives you better access to your parts from the front operator door as well. And since it's a UMC, you get 145 degrees of rotation on the B axis, and of course, 360 degrees on the C axis. The new Haas UMC 500, 5-axis capability that fits in a compact space.